Want to make the most out of your Japan trip? We assembled our top travel tips for the land of the rising sun. From temple etiquette to how to properly eat sushi. Let's go! Politeness is very important in Japanese culture, so be sure to bow when you greet someone or when you say goodbye. In general, the deeper the bow, the more respect you are showing. It's also considered rude to use your phone to make calls or sounds on the train, so leave it till you disembark. When you're in Japan, you will probably visit a shrine. Here are some pointers on how to behave in the shrine. First, be sure to bow slightly before you enter through the torii gates. Also, walk in on the side of the gate, because the middle is reserved for the gods. Next up, purify yourself at the chozuya with the ladle and fresh water. Now you're ready to pay your respects. Bow slightly. Toss a coin in the box. Bow deeply 2 times. Clap 2 times. Thank the gods. And finally, bow slightly 1 more time. When you visit an onsen, there are a few things that are good to know. First off, you generally cannot enter if you have any large tattoos, so keep that in mind. Secondly, most onsen aren't mixed gender, so make sure you enter the right bath. Before you enter the water, make sure you rinse your body thoroughly. Next, enter the bath slowly and place the towel on the side or on top of your head. Make sure it doesn't touch the water. Now, it's time to relax and let the healing waters of the onsen do its work. If you're at a nice sushi restaurant, you can leave your chopsticks on the table. Eat sushi like a pro. First off, don't mix the wasabi into the soy sauce. Your sushi should already be properly seasoned. But if you want to add more wasabi, you can add this on top of the sushi with your chopsticks. Once you're ready, grab the piece with your hands and tilt it fish down into the soy sauce. Try not to let the rice touch the sauce. Next, put the sushi fish down in your mouth and have the piece in 1 bite. Once you've enjoyed your sushi, grab a slice of ginger to cleanse your palate before you enjoy the next piece. If you are visiting a Japanese izakaya and want to drink like a local, here are some drinks you should try. A refreshing highball is the start of any great night. The simple drink contains Japanese whiskey and soda water in a tall glass. If the whiskey taste is too strong for you, ask the bartender to add some ginger to the drink to soften the blow. If you want to try another local delicacy, order some sake. This rice wine is the drink of choice for many and can be enjoyed cold or hot, which makes it a great drink for cold winter nights. Almost every region in Japan makes their own sake, so there are thousands of flavors to try. If you have a bit of a sweet tooth, give umeshu a try. The sweet liqueur is made from ume fruits soaked in alcohol and is very popular. And of course, you can't go beyond a traditional Japanese lager, which goes perfect with all the izakaya snacks. Whatever you do, just don't forget to kanpai.